Hi guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I'm making a patriotic spiral shirt. I have my shirt turned inside out and I'm going to just go ahead and spiral it up the usual way. Then I'm going to hold it in place with some rubber bands. After I'm finished tying it up, I'm going to draw a line straight down the middle with a washable marker. Okay, so now it's time to start dyeing the shirt. I'm going to dye one side of my shirt fire red. I'm going to leave the other side white. And when I go through the middle of the spiral, I'm going to try not to put a lot of dye in there. Now I'm going to turn my shirt over and I'm going to do the opposite side as the one that I did in the red in midnight blue. Again, when I go through the middle, I'm trying not to put a lot of dye. I don't really want a lot of dye mixing between the red and the blue, and I don't want the middle of my spiral to become muddied. I'm going to leave that side where I put the red, I'm going to leave that alone and not put any dye on the back side. After I'm finished putting the blue on the shirt, I'm going to just set it aside and leave it for 24 hours to process. Alright, so here's how our patriotic shirt turned out. If you guys are enjoying these videos, I sure would appreciate it if you'd subscribe to my YouTube channel by hitting the big red subscribe button. Thank you all for watching!